Hi, this is Suresh Gunturu. In this video, I would like to explain about life cycle of JSP. Yeah, okay. Life cycles of JSP page. In JSP page, we have 7 pages are there. We'll see one by one. First one, translation of JSP page. Second, compilation of JSP page. Third, class loading, instantiation, initialization, request processing, and last, destroy. We will see one by one with diagrammatically. Yeah, okay. Let's take an example. We'll write let's index.jsp page. Internally in web container like web server, we have JSP translator are there. JSP translator is the part of web server which is used to translate the JSP page to servlet.java file here. And next we have compiler. This servlet.java file compiles by the compiler. It creates .class file. Yeah, now we have .class file of JSP page. Next we have JRE. By using the JRE, it creates the next phase, like we have translation phase over, compilation phase over, next class loading. Yes, this .class file, by the use of class loader, it loads the file. Next, instantiation. Instantiation means the object of servlet like JSP code it creates in this phase by the use of JRE. Next, servlet object. Next, initialization. In initialization phase, web container calls the JSP init method. By the use of JSP init method, it initializes some default values to servlet object. Next phase, request processing. In request processing phase, JSP web server like web container calls the underscore JSP service method. This method invoked by the container. Here underscore represent we cannot override this service method that represent underscore. In service method we can write some business logic. After completion of service method, finally it destroy. Web container only like servlet container only calls the JSP destroy method. Here in 7 pages life cycle JSP life cycle methods mainly 3. First, JSP init method, underscore JSP service method, and JSP destroy method are life cycle methods of JSP. These are all the phases, 7 phases In this we have three life cycle methods. Yes, this is the flow of execution of JSP page. Yeah, now we'll see simple JSP page. To create just simple JSP page, write something HTML code given below and save it as .jsp extension. This file save in one file and paste the folder into web apps directory in Apache Tomcat like web server and run the page. You see after that, yeah, index.jsp. Here we are using just scriptlet tag. What scriptlet tag we'll see later. Just HTML code, HTML body. In body we are using scriptlet tag, just out.print 2 into 5. Just what is out print method we will see later. Body. This JSP code will print 10 on the browser. In a simple JSP program, we no need to follow any directory structure like servlet program. In our application, we have any class files or TLD files, then only we should follow the directory structure. If you want to run the simple JSP program, we no need to follow any directory structure. Right? Yeah. We'll see if we have any .class files and TLD files in our JSP. We follow the directory structure. Now we'll see what is the directory structure of JSP. Yeah, directory structure of JSP. The directory structure of JSP page is same as servlet. Yeah, we contain the JSP page outside web inf folder like this. This is context root. In context root we have web inf folder and JSP folder. JSP page. And if you have any static resources means like HTML page, images, CSS, like this. These many resources we can use our application save in the root directory only. In web.inf folder, if you have any classes .class files, store in classes folder, and web.inf we can store web.xml file. This web.xml file are read by the web container. If we are using some libraries, paste in library folder. This is all about life cycle of JSP and simple program of JSP, directory structure of JSP. That's it. Please watching this video. Please subscribe.